is it going through the middle when it should be going down that way? I do not know. That is really perplexing to me. Well, there's the ignition. I think I've found the problem. Can't put my finger on it, but yeah, I don't think that's going to work. I got updates. There we go. Somehow managed to salvage that thing, put it together, finagle it, and then test fit all these little pieces together. And we're going to try this baby out. It works! Unfortunately now, I have to put it all back together, so that's going to be fun.